Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngestory ke esingekho mnandi, istory ke sika Mpumi Muthweni. Guys, uMpumi Muthweni we waposta ke ukuthi ke ushonelwe ke uma wakhe. Ipost yakhe ifundeka kanje: to all friends, colleagues in the music industry and the body of Christ at large, it is with great sadness that the Mthweni and the Shabalala family announces the passing of our beloved mother, sister, aunt, and a friend, pillar of strength. My mother has permanently departed to be with the Lord on Wednesday morning, the 27th of May 2026. Mama Ntompela Winnie Mthweni was a loving, kind-hearted, and a strong woman whose presence brought warmth and joy to everyone around her. During this difficult time, the Mpumi Muthweni Shabalala family kindly ask for prayer, support, and privacy as they come to terms with this painful loss. But again, the funeral detail will be communicated in due course. For more information, batungathinta ke uMfundo Shabalala inamba yakhe 0722991114, or alternatively follow uMpumi's social media pages. Well guys, uma ngabe ke ubusilandela istory sika Mpumi, uMpumi used to talk about the abuse ubaba wakhe ke ayeyenza kumama wakhe and how strong her mother was. So guys, ke uma wakhe ke akasekho ke emhlabeni, engathi ke umoya wakhe ke ungaphumula ngokuthula. Kusho ukuthi ke uMpumi uma wakhe akasekho emhlabeni, baba wakhe futhi ke kade ke ashona. So yeah guys, izona ke indaba ke ezingekho mnandi lezo, but ke i-funeral yakhe, it will be communicated in due course. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your message of comfort to her, to uMpumi kanye ke ne family ke yaka Mthweni. Bye.